Hey Dad, where are we?
Are in Volterra.
Yep, the beautiful
little town. I'm not sure where we're anyhow. We're about
27 kilometers west. I believe it's west of San Giuliano.
Yeah.
And that's the Tuscan hillside down there. So we'll see you guys in town. Holy crap, it's a lot of stairs. Good luck, Dad.
Thank you.
We came all the way down there.
There we go. More to go.
We have more to go too. I pooped out already, guys. I'm in really bad shape. Okay.
Walled city here.
We finally made it to the walled city of Volterra. Always worse than stairs. We came all the way down there. A lot of stairs. We made it to Volterra, guys. The historical center. Yep. Yeah, I made it. Beautiful Volterra. No high heels going up this hill. Fortress. Wow. That's a state prison over there.
Here.
Now we're going back downhill.
Thanks, I'm not wearing high heels.
Yep. Good idea, Dad. Very smart. Got some flowers. Got some flowers for you, Cheryl, again. They're for you, Cheryl. Hope you enjoy them. Another alleyway in Volterra, Tuscany, Italy. Really windy today, very cold. I should wear a jacket. Was not thinking as usual. Very pretty view of Volterra. Clothes hanging out to dry. Yep. Let's take a picture. Wow, Volterra is beautiful. Oh, look at that torture device. That is creepy. We're in the Museum of Torture. Yeah, great idea. They're very pretty. Yeah. Okay, Cheryl, this is for you again. Headed towards the water closet. Buongiorno. Buongiorno, Dad.
Buongiorno.
Wow, this town is gorgeous. Volterra. A pizza bike. The main piazza. Another alleyway. Volterra. Very windy today. It's like clock for 22-mile gusts. It's kind of windy. Sorry guys, I keep sniffing. I think Dan and I got some bad colds coming. We're not feeling the best. So I apologize for all this sniffing. Oh, I don't feel very good. Oh, yeah. Buongiorno, puppy. Buongiorno. Buongiorno. Piazza. Oh, I miss Harley.
Yeah, we could bring him here.
We could bring him here and pick him up after the trip. What were you thinking, Dad? We weren't. Hello, Baxter. Buongiorno. This is really cute. Little niche, yeah. Just wash your noggin. Hey, kitty, kitty. Hey, kitty, kitty. Beautiful Tuscany. A little troll. Buongiorno. It's a little troll. I got this little boar for my nephew Aiden. It makes pig noises. Hope he likes it. It goes from mildly spicy all the way to insanely spicy. The California Reaper. Wow. 2,200,000 units. I'm so cherished in Volterra. So I'm saying goodbye from Volterra. Thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow in CC. Love you guys. Have a great day.